Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore line and paragraph spacing in Google Slides. So let's say I've got a text element. Right here I've got a list of different points that I'm going to add to my PowerPoint slide deck. And I just want to play with the formatting here. I can go to line and paragraph spacing. Currently, these are set to single spacing. I can set that to 1.5 spacing. I can go double spacing if I want it to be spread out a little bit more, so now they're spread out a little bit more. If I'm dealing with a paragraph, I can add a space before paragraphs or remove a space after paragraph, or if I want to get a little bit more technical, I can go to custom spacing, and I can set this to pretty much whatever I need it to be in order to make it look exactly the way I want. But there's some ways that you can play with the line and paragraph spacing of your text elements in Google Slides.